Coronavirus has swept the nation. What began as a small outbreak half the world away has quickly become a once-in-a-lifetime pandemic. There have been over 3 million cases of COVID-19 in the United States since January, and those numbers remain on the rise. The economic impacts of the virus are also devastating. Nearly 50 million Americans have filed for unemployment. Experts predict that a second wave of the virus could strike in the coming months. In these turbulent times, one question remains. What will we do now?
We'll do what we always do. Fight. Over the course of the last several months, the brightest minds our college has to offer have crafted a plan of attack that will be effective in combating the virus and maintain the core aspects of the Wabash experience. Among several important behaviors, the plan includes monitoring your personal health, maintaining a safe social distance, and wearing masks in public spaces. If we want to stay on campus this semester and preserve the Wabash experience going forward, we must hold ourselves and others accountable. We know that this isn't what you want to hear. We also know that this semester will be extremely difficult at times. It will be hard to adapt the long-standing traditions of this institution to fit our current circumstances. It will be hard to avoid gathering together to celebrate all of the successes we were sure to have in the coming months. It will be harder to be there for your brothers from a distance. But we've beaten the odds before. There are countless stories throughout our history of great Wabash men and women who have stood up in the face of adversity and continued to fight. However, the life of Ethel Newell provides unique inspiration in our current circumstances. During the First World War, Wabash served as an Army training corps that housed over 500 student soldiers. On October 7, 1918, the Spanish flu struck the college. Initially, the Fight-Out House was transformed into a hospital designed to house 6 patients. By the 5th day, 95 of our brothers were crammed into the house. In response to the unprecedented pandemic, the entire Wabash community fought tirelessly to ensure the full recovery of all 120 infected students. Miss Ethel Newell, a member of the Crawfordsville community and volunteer nurse, chose to care for our brothers despite a recent battle with pneumonia. Unfortunately, her illness returned, and Ethel became the only casualty of the Wabash outbreak. Her sacrifice embodies a fundamental characteristic of the Wabash Brotherhood, and she deserves a place in the college's roll of honor. Over the course of its history, the men and women of Wabash College have proven themselves to be resilient, intelligent, and hardworking. Our brotherhood truly stands the test of time. When future generations of Wabash men look back at this moment in our history, they will see that we were disciplined enough to wear a mask and still speak up in class. They will see that we were dedicated enough to keep our distance and still maintain our bond. They will see that we were flexible enough to ensure the safety of our campus while still enjoying these fleeting years. Like those that came before and those that are sure to follow, we will fight and we will win. Let's go Bash!